Our dietary choices are pivotal in shaping our kidney health. As we delve into this intricate subject, it's clear that what we eat significantly affects our kidneys, which maintain our body's equilibrium. These bean-shaped organs play a crucial role in filtering waste, regulating blood pressure, and producing red blood cells. While genetics and lifestyle are important, the impact of our diet on these vital organs is undeniable. This video focuses on 6 common foods that could be silently harming your kidney health. Before we start, follow our YouTube channel, like the video, and share your experience in the comments. Number 1. Elevated sodium levels. Sodium, vital for fluid balance, nerve transmission, and muscle function, is a key part of our diet. The issue arises when we consume too much sodium, often found in processed and fast foods. This disrupts kidney function, with high sodium intake causing elevated blood pressure and increased kidney workload, potentially leading to long-term damage. To mitigate this, incorporate fresh, whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your diet, reducing sodium intake while providing essential nutrients. Opt for herbs and spices over salt to further support kidney health. Number 2. Cola and dark sodas. Cola and dark sodas, known for their fizziness and taste, contain phosphoric acid, which poses risks to kidney health. This compound can lead to kidney stones and impair kidney function. The high levels of sugar or artificial sweeteners in these drinks also contribute to obesity and diabetes, both risk factors for kidney disease. Healthier alternatives like water, herbal teas, or fresh juices can lessen the intake of phosphoric acid and maintain hydration, crucial for kidney health. Number 3. Caffeine and carbonated beverages. Caffeine found in coffee, tea, and energy drinks has benefits when consumed in moderation. However, excessive caffeine intake, especially from energy drinks, can lead to dehydration, adversely affecting kidney function. Carbonated beverages often contain phosphoric acid, compounding the risk. To protect your kidneys, practice moderation in caffeine consumption and ensure adequate water intake. Number 4. Processed meats. Processed meats like sausages, deli meats, and bacon, high in salt and preservatives, elevate blood pressure, adding stress to the kidneys. An excessive intake of protein, especially from processed meats, can strain the kidneys, which are responsible for filtering waste from protein metabolism. Over time, this can lead to kidney dysfunction. Opting for lean proteins such as legumes, poultry, fish, and plant-based alternatives is a better choice, as it helps in reducing the risks associated with processed meats and supports a kidney-friendly diet. Number 5. Alcohol. While moderate alcohol consumption can have some cardiovascular benefits, excessive drinking significantly impacts kidney health. Alcohol leads to dehydration by increasing urine production, which puts additional stress on the kidneys. Persistent alcohol use can contribute to the development of kidney disease and other complications. Moderating alcohol intake and ensuring adequate hydration are essential for maintaining kidney health. Number 6. Elevated potassium foods. Potassium is critical for various physiological functions, but excessive intake can be harmful, especially for those with kidney issues. High potassium foods, such as bananas, oranges, potatoes, and spinach, can challenge the kidney's ability to maintain balance, leading to hyperkalemia, a condition characterized by elevated potassium levels. Managing potassium intake, particularly for individuals with kidney health concerns, is crucial. Working with healthcare professionals to tailor potassium intake to individual needs is advisable. These 6 food categories can significantly impact kidney health. They don't need to be completely avoided, but moderation is key, especially for those with existing kidney conditions. A kidney-friendly diet should focus on fresh whole foods, lean proteins, and careful nutrient management. Consulting with healthcare professionals or dietitians is recommended to ensure dietary choices are aligned with individual kidney health needs. Proactive dietary decisions are vital for preserving kidney health and overall well-being. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your network. Your support is greatly appreciated as we continue to provide valuable health insights.